In a networked, technical world, it is essential for us as BEUMER Group to offer solutions and support that ensure our customers' day-to-day business. The first point of contact is always our customer support with the telephone hotline, available 24/7.
BEUMER Group hotline, hello.
But what if the description of the problem is very difficult, and it would be best to have an engineer on site? With BEUMER Smart Glasses, we're expanding our support for you and your employees.
I will now establish a connection.
And thus taking the next step into a digital future. Now, on-site employees can work with BEUMER experts around the world. Thanks to real-time image transmission, the challenge can be identified and the solution approached. This is a logical next step in customer support. BEUMER Smart Glasses are adapted to an industrial environment, waterproof, dust-resistant, and can be combined with a safety helmet, meaning you can always move freely. We know the local conditions of our customers and have perfectly adapted our solution to them.
Flashlight.
Sensitive areas of your company are also protected, because you decide if and when we start recording. With our claim for data protection, your data is safe and will be completely deleted after successful completion.
Can you maybe use an Allen key to tighten it again?
Thus, you can perform at your best, gather important information, and concentrate fully on the task at hand, while keeping your hands free at all times. This is problem solving with real added value. This is not the future. It is the here and now.